guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to look at how you can carry out some ifs in Microsoft Excel. So you place your cursor where you want the output to appear or the formula to be written, and then you type some ifs, and then you click tab. So the sum range is the profit, criteria range is the electronics, and then criteria is accessories. Also, you can have Sumifs, sum range, the cost, criteria range. We want to look at the payment method, and in the payment method, we want to look at mobile money. So we can repeat that one. It was not clear. So you click sum ifs. The sum range is the cost. The criteria range is the payment method. And then we want to look at bank. We can also have some ifs. The sales, we want to see the sales. So we want to sum the sum range of the sales. Criteria range, we want the product. In the product, we want to see the keyboard.